Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we are uncovering about Yobe, where a convict will come and apologize to the family of the people that he or she wronged. Today we are talking about Udumisani Kunene, who stabbed his then girlfriend 29 times and slit her throat. Yo guys, Dumisani woke up on that very same day in the morning, went to the shops to buy a knife specially for the girlfriend. How do you come back and apologize for something that you even planned? What are your thoughts, guys? Let me know what are your thoughts. Would you forgive someone who premeditated a murder of your loved ones? You can see in Dumisani's eyes, he's got so much rage. What is he apologizing about? He is apologizing to the mother, to the sister, and to their son. Fortunately enough, his son might not forgive him, but he would love to know his other side of the family, even under the circumstances that he took his mother away from him. Dumisani continues to apologize. Does he mean it? Does it come from deep down from his heart? Oh, guys, such a sensitive topic. Let me know that. Would you forgive someone who kills your loved one? Yes, no, maybe in the long run. What are your thoughts? Because Dumisani especially, he had intentions to kill Ugugu or threaten her. He might not mean it to end the way it ended, but it did. Let me know, guys, in the comment section. Would you forgive someone who would do such? Yes, no,